Every process begins at the source. Quality starts with selection. Only the best move ahead.
Harvest meets logistics.
Time matters. Freshness preserved. The journey continues. Industry awaits.
Arrival confirmed.
Clear the line, move it up. Processing begins.
Raw material enters the system.
Quality is checked at arrival.
The flow begins.
Surface dirt is removed.
Thorough cleaning begins. Entwerpen. Only fruit moves ahead. Human judgment still matters.
Final wash ensures hygiene.
Excess moisture is removed. Now, transformation begins. Structure begins to break.
Whole fruit becomes raw pulp. Material moves under control.
Liquid is separated from fiber. What remains is removed. Raw juice takes shape.
Volume is stabilized.
Human oversight maintains balance.
Flow continues forward.
Extraction gives way to refinement.
Unwanted particles are reduced. Texture begins to refine. Clarity improves under control. Standards are precisely matched.
Every addition is calculated. Uniform texture is created. The liquid stabilizes. Refinement gives way to safety. Safety begins with controlled heat.
Harmful microbes are neutralized.
Time and temperature work together.
Heat is reduced immediately.
Protected until filling. Clean parts are mandatory.
Containers enter the line.
No contamination allowed. Precision sets the stage. The product finally takes form.
Tightness is verified for safety.
Presentation is prepared.
Brand identity is applied.
Traceability is locked in.
Units are prepared for packaging.
Packaging takes shape.
Bottles are securely grouped. Protection is ensured for transport.
Products are ready for storage and dispatch.
Automation ensures consistent flow. Precision organizes every unit. Human oversight keeps automation reliable.
Every package is verified.
Traceability is built in.
Errors are caught instantly. Stability is ensured for transport.
Efficiency bridges production and dispatch. All lines converge seamlessly.
Every shipment meets the standard.
Preparation for quality review starts here.
Every unit must be flawless. Precision ensures accuracy in every shipment. Traceability is verified automatically. Standards are enforced at every stage. Safety and integrity are non-negotiable.
Final assessment awaits.
Samples are taken systematically.
Every batch is scientifically validated.
Quality clearance ensures confidence. Every batch is sampled meticulously.
Sweetness is verified precisely.
Acidity levels are controlled.
Safety is confirmed at a microscopic level.
Human senses complement technology.
Visual consistency is critical.
Texture must meet standards.
Only approved batches proceed. Final confirmation ensures absolute quality. The product is ready for the next phase.
Products are stored systematically. Traceability is maintained at every step.
Shipment preparation begins. Careful handling ensures safety.
Transport readiness confirmed.
Stability is key for delivery.
Every dispatch is verified.
Products begin their journey.
A complete industrial process from farm to final delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce premium guava juice from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns and witness the journey of premium guava juice from farm to your table.